Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, you should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Go to Manage Accounts on this device section because first we should log out from Google account and after that we'll automatically log out from the Gmail app. So tap to your account, click Remove and confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK. If you use some protect methods, just enter them. And as you could see in the Google account settings, we just successfully logged out from the Gmail app. So let's go back to the Gmail application also, and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail app. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.